With an update from cknewstoday.ca, I'm Matt Weaverank. The intensive care unit at the hospital in Chatham is full again, and the number of COVID-positive patients at the hospital is going up. The latest update from the Chatham-Kent Health Alliance says there are now 34 patients in the hospital who have tested positive for the virus. That's up from 29 yesterday. 9 of those patients are in the ICU, and 8 of them are on ventilators. The hospital is still working shorthanded as well. At least 38 staff members are off because they've either tested positive or they've been exposed to a positive case. The province also announced yesterday it's pausing non-urgent surgeries to free up hospital beds. Meantime, Chatham-Kent's Medical Officer of Health, Dr. David Colby, says the number of active cases in the area continues to grow. He says the local public health unit is aware of 347 active cases of COVID-19 locally, but because of the testing shortage, he thinks it's probably about a quarter of the actual number. Colby says the main thing he's keeping an eye on to track the severity of the pandemic is hospitalizations. 2 of the biggest teachers' unions in Ontario are calling on the Ford government to use the time that kids will be out of the classroom to make schools safer for in-person learning. The Elementary Teachers Federation of Ontario and the Ontario Secondary School Teachers Federation both issued statements after the province's announcement about schools closing to in-person learning until at least January 17th. They're claiming the shift to remote learning could have been avoided if the province had implemented safety measures at the start of the pandemic. And Chatham-Kent residents have the chance to support a good cause and possibly win some cash while doing that. The CK Charity 50/50 raffle is underway that supports the Children's Treatment Center of Chatham-Kent and the Chatham-Kent Hospice Foundation. Last year's winner took home a little over $52,000. Tickets can be purchased up until March 2nd. 8 games on the ice tonight after a quiet night in the NHL. The Red Wings will try to snap their 2-game losing skid as they host the San Jose Sharks. In the NBA, the Raptors wrap up their latest homestand against the San Antonio Spurs tonight, and the Washington football team is set to unveil its new name and logo on February 2nd. Team president Jason Wright said in a statement, the name is not the Wolves or the Red Wolves, but those both were considered. Sunny today with a high of +2 Celsius. A few clouds tonight, a low of -1, feeling colder with the wind chill. And tomorrow cloudy with a chance of flurries and a high of +2. Right now it feels like -7. I'm Matt Weaverank. For more on these and other stories, visit cknewstoday.ca.